Hello everyone, and today we're talking about what's the difference between the words Eddy, Vortex, Whirlpool, and Maelstrom. All of these words are nouns, but Eddy can also act as a verb. They mean a circulation of air or water that spins fast, but some of them can refer to dangerous situations that are hard to get out of. So let's delve into them and find out more about their difference. Eddy. Eddy is a small circulation of air or water that spins fast. Eddies you can find in small bodies of water, for example, in small lakes, ponds, rivers, creeks, etc. So they are small and you can find them in small bodies of water. Vortex. Vortex is more the scientific term of a circulation of air or water that spins fast, but sometimes it can be used metaphorically to refer to dangerous, difficult situations, chaotic situations, etc. Whirlpool. Whirlpool can only be in water, but metaphorically speaking, you can use it just like vortex, but it has stronger connotation than vortex. And when we use it in the context of water, it is stronger than Eddy too. So it is stronger than Eddy, and it is stronger than vortex when speaking metaphorically about it. And the last word, it is the strongest of the four. Maelstrom. Maelstrom, just like whirlpool, can be found only in water, and you can use it when metaphorically speaking. So in water, it presents a great danger. It can be formed in seas or oceans, and it can suck in ships, vessels, and so on. When metaphorically speaking about it, the best example I surmise is about the Chicxulub asteroid that smashed into the shallow waters of the modern-day Yucatan Peninsula in the Gulf of Mexico 66 million years ago. This asteroid, at the speed of more than 100,000 kilometers per hour and with the diameter of more than 10 kilometers, impacted the whole planet. It caused massive mega tsunamis more than 1 kilometer in height, unfathomable earthquakes with the magnitude of 11 that rained the planet like a bell, and it caused the ejecta cloud that covered all the planet in just a couple of hours. All the non-avian dinosaurs were wiped out, and many animals were impacted. So you can call this event as the Maelstrom, a global disaster, catastrophe, calamity. Fine. Well, now you know the difference between these words, and that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.